Morning. So today I'm heading into Wirrim Studio, which is the one that my friend Abe is the driving force behind. I've got to give him some footage from the other day when we were shooting down at Tally.
Corinne named him the driving force.
Excited to be on set today, mate?
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, we're crushing it?
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, mate.
And I'm also going to get a bit of practice in the studio because I've never really shot with proper lighting in a studio format before, so why not use the opportunities you have? Alright, this is Wirrim Studios. This is Abe, the driving force. And Richard, the boss of bosses. It's big enough to fit a car. There's a green screen over there. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, he's a working class man.
Mate, you don't know how many
Alright.
fake accounts I've already got
See you guys.
for the voting. There's a lot of them.
That's now in the sound of you with the bacon now.
That was a quick little stop into the Wirrim Studio, a little tour in that, so I can see sort of where I've spent a little bit of time. It's good to have that space and the people to sort of, it's good to have that space and people to help you out. And they've been giving me a little bit of work, which is also super handy for the bank account. But yeah, tomorrow night I'm part of a competition with those guys. There's two of us who have half an hour to shoot and half an hour to edit a photo in the studio. We've got a jeans sponsor, a makeup artist, and a model. And yeah, I've never shot in a studio before, so it'll be interesting to see how that goes. The only thing with the comp is that you have one light and that's it. Yeah, so we can only use one light, one constant or one flat, whatever you want to use, but it can only be one. But yeah, it doesn't really matter for me because I've never shot in this studio, so I'll see how that goes. I'll be racking my brain tonight to see what I can do. They were just asking a few questions about how I want to make up, what I wanted to wear. I don't know. I don't know how this works. So I guess we'll figure it out. And it should be some fun though. Sweet, I'm gonna go home and have some lunch and maybe a couple beers.